Constructed from quality hard Canadian maple wood, coated with 9 layers of varnish. Reliable and dependable, these billiard cues are intended for high-volume use. Each billiard cue is finished off with a 13 mm Le Pro leather tip and an ABS bumper. Available in 18 to 21 ounce cue weights, offering a customizable assortment. Top reviews from the United States. Nice sticks. I bought one for $160. Too big, can only break with it. Will have to use smaller sticks to work table. For $25 a pop or so I got 3 diff sizes. Look good. I am happy. Still gonna use expensive full-size stick to break, but these little sticks look good, feel good. Hey, if they warp, price is nothing to me. I can buy $25 sticks all day. Seem perfect though, but if I have to replace next year, whatever price is right. Seem pretty solid. Viper sticks kind of rock. 5-star review. Fast delivery, look great. I'll put hem to the test. The 36-inch and the 48 are totally awesome.